So this is question number 2.5 of class 12th, and the chapter name is Electric Potential and Capacitance. Let's read the question. A parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has a capacitance of 8 picofarad, and 1 picofarad is equal to 10 to the minus 12 farad. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plate is reduced by half and the space between the capacitor is filled with dielectric constant of the 6, right? So this is the thing. Now let's solve the question. First of all, we will write the given that. So given that we have a parallel plate capacitor, all are similar, right? So this is the parallel plate capacitor we have, and the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor is going to be 8 picofarad, and that is equal to 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad by the question. So first of all, a basic sight on the concept that we have. A little concept that we have, that is very simple. Capacitance is equal to K epsilon naught A by D, right? And summation of the capacitor is going to be series. In series, it is going to be net is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4, and parallel 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Right, so this is the basic thing. It is in you just I have tried to remember you. So now the K air, the dielectric constant in air, because that is firstly present in air, so it is going to be 1. The dielectric constant of air is 1. Now the D is going to be D by 2 as per question, and K is going to be 6. And now you have to tell that what is the new capacitance. So first of all, we will write the capacitance, that old capacitance that we have. So C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D, and C old that we have C old that we have is K is K air, and epsilon naught is epsilon naught, and A is A, and D is the D old that we have, right? Now after changing what happened, D is D by 2 now, and K is 6 now, right? So now C new is going to be K new into epsilon naught is not going to change, A is not going to change, by D new, right? So by putting the value, K new is 6, epsilon naught, then A, and then D new. D new is D by 2, right? So how here we are going to calculate that K old, that is K air is 1, then epsilon naught, A, then D, right? So that is going to be epsilon naught A by D, the C old that we have, right? Now here the C new is, the 2 is going to be upside in numerator, so 6 into 2 epsilon naught A by D. And now you can see that this term and this term is same. That means this term is C old. So 12 into C old, right? And C old, the value of C old we knew. The value of C old that is given in the question is C old is 8 picofarad, and 8 picofarad, right? Picofarad, and that is going to be overall 12 18 96 picofarad, right? And that is our answer. So C new is going to be 96 picofarad, or if the answer in farad, that is 96 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So this is a very simple question. You have to just remember the formula. C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. Just it. Okay, simple.